how to turn off volume on Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to boost your navigation experience in Google Maps? Then don't worry, you're in the right place. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Maps and on the top right, tap on your profile icon, tap on settings, then tap on navigation. Here you'll find guidance audio. So, make sure you have it on unmute and then make the guidance volume louder. And that's it. This is how you turn off volume on Google Maps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.